These are the main outer door panels for the Austin Healey BN2 104 model. They are hardboards cut out on our CNC machine. They feature the fixing holes around the edges here. They also have on the back inner lining, this is a moquette material, so it's a wool-based product, very high quality, commonly used on a lot of Jaguars of this era. We use it on the back of these doors. Originally they used some sort of cloth material which wasn't particularly nice, so we upgrade to a moquette which commonly matches the Furflex edging as well. So as you can see, they're trimmed all the way around. They have the Furflex on the leading edge and on the back edge. You have the cassette up here for the door mechanism area. You have the big, obviously, hole in the door that creates a sort of pocket lining area. On the BN2s as well, you'll notice that they are stitched around the outside. So BN1 and BN2 models, the door panels were exactly the same, the only difference being the stitch line. The stitch line was commonly only on the BN2 models. The BN1s were just plain. Yep, that's your lot basically. It's stitched around here as well, around this perimeter. As you can see, very nicely trimmed all the way around, nice and neat. Yeah, pair of those per kit.